Welcome to this new episode, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off or turn on lock sound on iPhone. So if you press the start button on your iPhone, you should hear a sound indicating that your iPhone screen is locked. So you can easily disable this lock sound on your iPhone, or let it be, depending on your choice. So in this case, I'll show you how you can easily turn off this lock sound. To do this, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings, scroll down and click on sound and haptics. Once you click on that, then scroll down the page and locate system sounds and haptics. Then locate the lock sound. You can see the lock sound is enabled here. Then tap on this to disable it. Once you click on that to disable the lock sound, go ahead and lock your iPhone screen to save by pressing the start button. You can see the lock sound is now disabled on your iPhone. Now, to enable the lock sound, again, all you need to do is turn this on. Turn this on to enable it, then turn it off to enable the lock sound on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily enable and disable or turn on and turn off the lock sound on iPhone. If this is helpful, if you want to learn about that, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.